Hey everyone, today we are going to run through a case scanned in Alliedstar AS Connect software and going to connect seamlessly to Exocad software for design. So as you can see on the screen, I have my scanned data. On this scanned data, I have an inlay-onlay prep on number 30. So we're going to do that. I'm going to click on the CAD Setup tab here. Click on number 30. Looks just like Exocad. In fact, it is. So we're going to do inlay-onlay on number 30. We're going to label our antagonist. And come up here to the upper right-hand corner. Click the CAD button. It's going to automatically load the scan data into Exocad. And then from here, we're just going to follow the wizard steps down here in the lower left-hand corner. It's setting our orientation, which looks pretty good. Going to click Next. I'm just going to select straight through. Don't modify the scan data. I'm going to turn my antagonist is already off, which is nice. So from here on the margin, we can either detect it or manually draw it. I'm going to use the detect button and zoom in on it here. And it's just a series of clicks around our margin line. The more you click, the better it's going to find it. You just keep clicking. It'll eventually give you something similar to this. Now, it's not exactly accurate. You can come in here and correct draw. Now, I'm not a clinician, so no judgment here on my margin, but I'm going to give you just some basic rundown of exactly what it can do. I just drag in these little green dots to wherever you want them and setting your margin line, something like that. Okay, just keep it pretty simple. Actually, down here we can adjust this as well. Something like that. Okay, click the next button. Zoom back out here. Set our insertion axis of our restoration, which essentially you just want to look right down on top of the prep, eliminating as many of those undercuts as possible. Set it. Click Next. I'm not going to do anything with cement gaps or borders. Just click Next. Now we can position our restoration where we think we're going to want it, something like that. Keep it simple. Click Next. And then it's going to give us an initial proposal of what it thinks we want. We'll turn off our antagonist. And then from here, you can do all your manual edits. I'm not going to run through them, but I just want to show you how simple it is to get from scanned data into Exocad and ready to design in just a few clicks. So that's one way to get into Exocad from AS Connect, or the other way is essentially you can launch. Actually, I've already exported my scan data out of AS Connect right here. You can launch the DiddleDB direct from Exocad, and it just comes into your initial start screen. So from here we can just fill in our patient name, all of this good stuff. Same thing, we're going to declare number 30 as an inlay-onlay, say we're going to 3D print it, click OK, save it, click Design. Now since there is no scanned data loaded, it will prompt you to load it manually. And all you have to do is find that exported scanned data, which is in a folder right here. And I'm going to do my lower and my upper. And there's the exact same case, and we're ready to go. Easy to follow. Reach out if you have any questions.